Ah, there is a light. Wait. Okay, now, Assalamualaikum. Me and again my friend Saudi is Majid Bai. So we're going to Indonesian
Yes.
restaurant. Yeah, we'll try again.
Good.
Yeah,
Delicious.
before in Pakistan restaurant. Now we're going to Indonesian restaurant.
I hope you will like
We'll
it.
take dinner there.
Oh,
For sure, this one is very delicious, right?
yes.
It's
I hope.
Indonesian,
For
Asian.
me, it's delicious.
Yeah, same Asian also. So we're going there, guys. So, try this Indonesian cuisine, Indonesian specials, huh? Specialties.
It's good one.
Okay, guys, see you later.
See you.
Okay, guys, this is the Alaskan area. We live here before. This building, maybe that building, I live that building. Alaskan. Mungkin per room mungkin basa 450 500 kilas, ha?
Huh?
500 per room.
Here?
550 ya, aywa.
I don't know. Wallah.
Aywa
By
halan.
room, I don't know.
Aywa, by room kida napso. Only room. So asagi room 550. Alaskan area.
Maybe this area no one coming here, sir.
We will take the small one. We'll take this one.
Yeah, this is called rendang.
Rendan. Okay, the rendan Indonesian
Beef dishes.
spells rendan. What moton, sa? Like moton.
Yes.
Rendan, moton, and this one, the potato, and that one, the pasta,
Pasta.
and this one, the vegetable.
Vegetable?
Mixed vegetable, and this one, the round
This one they
and
call
that one.
pasta.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the menu here. All the menus here. Okay, guys, this is what we ordered already. Oh, it's very good. I mean, it's sulit. We call this one sulit. See, serving is no, meaning serving is good. Serving is good. Yeah. Okay, we will eat now. Start with Indonesian cuisine, Indonesian restaurant. Guys, we're going home again. We're done eating in Indonesian restaurant. Well, it's very good, and the
Yeah,
serving
good.
is too much. It's very in Philippines we call it sulit.
Sulit,
Yeah,
same
sulit.
like.
There is a four kinds, no?
Yes.
Yeah, there is 4 kinds of food. Just only 23 real
Yeah, with rice.
with rice. Mashallah, it's very good with rice, with soup,
Ayun.
with spicy chili sauce,
Ayun, sambal, they call sambal.
sambal.
Ayun.
Ooh.
I'm happy you like.
Yeah, very good. And I have a takeout again.
Ayun.
There is a moton, same like moton fry, you know,
Yes.
but it's a little bit dry. But it's good also. I like that
Ayun.
the cooking. What type of cooking is
Yeah.
what I like.
With coconut milk.
Yeah, with the coconut. In Philippines, same like laing.
Lai.
Yeah, laing. Alhamdulillah. And laing. There is also vegetable, and there is an egg, and there is the round one. What is the name? That one?
Yeah, we call kofta.
Kufta. Yeah.
It's like potato,
Potato. There is
fried potato
fried potato. There's some
with
kufta.
egg. Potato with egg.
Yes, laham is the lamb, the sheep.
Rendang.
Rendang, ha? Call it
Ayun,
rendang.
rendang. In Indonesia, they call rendang.
That one, rendang.
Yes, rendang.
The laham, sa?
Yes.
Rendang. The vegetable and what else? There is also a pasta. There is a pasta, sa?
Yes.
Well, it's complete. Oh, mostly the Filipinos, they like that one, the mix.
Ayo, me too.
Mix.
I like mix
The mix
with white
Loriat.
rice is good.
In Philippines, we call it Loriat mix.
Loriat.
Yeah, Loriat in
Aye.
Chowking Loriat.
Masya.
Yes. And what else? The pasta, and also of course there is a rice, also a big cup, no, big cup of rice, right?
Yes.
There is a big cup of rice, that one. Maybe bowl, not cup, it's a bowl.
Yeah.
One bowl of rice. And rice, what else? Oh,
Alhamdulillah. I feel
still burping.
yeah, me too. Allah, I feel full.
Still burping right now. What is this? I ate what do you call this one? I tried it to finish the vegetable because maybe it will be damaged when we take out the vegetable and the egg. I finished it,
Ayo.
but I'm already full.
For me, I finish everything. Alhamdulillah.
Very good because you didn't eat, huh?
Yeah,
Because I
yes,
eat
I'm
dinner.
not eating
I have
today.
heavy.
Yeah, because you eat the lunch.
Yeah,
right?
lunch. I have
Ayo.
heavy lunch, so that's fine. Maybe later again I feel hungry, huh?
Yes. Yeah.
I will
You
eat
eat later.
Yes. Rice. There is some. What else? The potato also. There's a potato, right?
Yes.
Yeah, there is a there's a fried potato with but it's good. I take out also that one. So I take out the karendang, potato,
Yeah.
and the pasta.
Yes.
Take out that one. Okay, guys, me and Majid again next time. Thank you for watching.
Ayo, thank you.
Bye. Assalam. Bye.
Bye.
See you next vlog.